This is gonna blow your mind. You got a small business? That's awesome. Running a small business is no small feat. It takes passion, dedication, and a lot of hard work. But in today's digital age, there's a powerful tool at your disposal that can make all the difference. Want to crush it in today's world? The competition is fierce, but with the right strategies, you can stand out and thrive. Digital marketing is your secret weapon. It's the key to reaching a wider audience, engaging with your customers, and driving sales. No more old-school flyers and billboards. While traditional marketing methods have their place, they can't match the reach and efficiency of digital marketing. It's all about connecting with your people online. Think about it. Your customers are already spending a significant amount of time online, whether it's browsing social media, reading blogs, or shopping. Everyone's glued to their phones, scrolling through websites and social media. This is where you need to be, capturing their attention and engaging with them. That's where you need to be, right in front of their eyeballs. By leveraging digital marketing, you can ensure that your business is visible to potential customers exactly when they're looking for products or services like yours. Digital marketing is how you do it, and it's easier than you think. With the right tools and strategies, you can create effective campaigns that drive results. Don't be intimidated by the fancy words. Terms like SEO, PPC, and content marketing might sound complex, but they're just different ways to connect with your audience. We're talking about simple stuff like having a cool website, posting on social media, and creating content that resonates with your audience. Sending emails to your customers. Email marketing is a powerful tool for keeping your customers informed and engaged. It's all about building relationships and trust online. The best part? You can measure your success and adjust your strategies in real time. Digital marketing levels the playing field. It gives small businesses the opportunity to compete with larger companies on a more equal footing. You don't need a huge budget to compete with the big guys. With creativity and strategic planning, you can achieve great results even with limited resources. With a little hustle and the right strategies, you can reach more customers than ever before. Let's dive in and explore how digital marketing can transform your small business into a success story. First things first, you need a killer online presence. In today's digital age, your website is often the first interaction potential customers have with your business. It's crucial to make a strong impression right from the start. Think of it like your digital storefront. Just as you would invest in a physical store to attract customers, your online presence needs the same level of attention and care. It's the first impression, so make it count. A well-designed website can convey professionalism, trustworthiness, and quality, all within a few seconds. Your website is your home base, where customers come to learn about you and what you offer. It's the hub of your online activities, linking to your social media, blogs, and other digital content. Make it easy to navigate, visually appealing, and mobile-friendly. A cluttered or confusing website can drive potential customers away, so simplicity and clarity are key. People are on their phones all the time, so your website needs to look good on any device. Responsive design ensures that your site adapts to different screen sizes, providing a seamless experience for users. Don't forget to showcase your products or services in the best possible light. High-quality images and detailed descriptions can make a significant difference in attracting and retaining customers. But it's not just about having a website, it's about making it easy for people to find you. Your website should be optimized for search engines so that potential customers can easily discover your business. That's where search engine optimization, or SEO, comes in. SEO involves various strategies and techniques to improve your website's visibility on search engines like Google. We'll dive deeper into that later. Think about it. When your website ranks higher in search results, more people are likely to visit it, increasing your chances of converting visitors into customers. When someone's looking for a product or service online, you want to be one of the first results they see. Being at the top of search results can significantly boost your business's visibility and credibility. That's the power of a strong online presence. It not only helps you reach a wider audience, but also establishes your brand as a leader in your industry. It's like having prime real estate in the digital world. A well-optimized, user-friendly website is your ticket to standing out in a crowded marketplace and achieving long-term success. Now let's talk about social media. It's a dynamic and ever-evolving landscape that has transformed the way we communicate, share, and connect with one another. It's not just for kids and cat videos. Social media has grown into a powerful tool that businesses can leverage to reach their target audience and build a loyal following. It's a platform where you can showcase your brand's personality, share your story, and engage with your community in meaningful ways. Whether you're a small business or a large corporation, social media offers endless opportunities to connect with your audience. Find the platforms where your customers hang out. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn. Each platform has its own vibe and caters to different demographics and interests. Understanding these nuances can help you tailor your content to better resonate with your audience. Figure out what works best for your brand. Analyze your metrics, understand your audience's behavior, and adjust your strategy accordingly. Don't try to be everywhere at once. It's better to focus on a few platforms and do them well rather than spreading yourself too thin. Post engaging content, run contests, and create posts that encourage interaction. The more you engage with your audience, the more they will engage with you. Interact with your followers, respond to their comments, answer their questions, and show them that you value their input. Social media is all about building relationships. It's not just about broadcasting your message, but also about listening and engaging in conversations. Respond to comments and messages promptly. Timely responses show your audience that you're attentive and that you care about their experience. Show your audience that you're listening and that you care. This builds trust and fosters a sense of community around your brand. Remember, it's called social media for a reason. It's a space for social interaction, so be genuine and approachable. Be authentic, be yourself, and share your unique story. Authenticity resonates with people and helps build a loyal following. And have fun with it. Social media should be an enjoyable experience for both you and your audience. The more you engage with your audience, the more likely they are to become loyal customers. So dive in, connect, and watch your tribe grow. Email marketing might seem old school, but trust me, it's still one of the most effective ways to stay top of mind with your audience. Think about it. People check their email every single day. Build your email list by offering something valuable, like a discount code or a free ebook. Once you have their email address, treat it like gold. Don't spam them with irrelevant messages. Segment your list and send targeted emails based on their interests and purchase history. Personalize your messages and provide valuable content that they'll actually want to read. Email marketing is all about building trust and nurturing relationships with your audience. Done right, it can turn casual subscribers into raving fans. Section 5. SEO. Climb the Google ladder, get found. Remember SEO, it's not as scary as it sounds. Basically, it's all about making sure your website shows up high in search engine results pages or CRPs. Think about it. When someone searches for something related to your business, you want to be at the top of the list, right? Use relevant keywords in your website content, optimize your website for mobile devices, and build high-quality backlinks to your site. It's like giving Google a roadmap to your website. SEO is a long-term game, but the results are worth it. The higher you rank in search results, the more organic traffic you'll get to your website, and the more potential customers you'll reach. Section 6. Content is king, tell your story, win hearts. Content marketing is all about creating and sharing valuable, compelling, and engaging content to attract and retain a clearly defined audience. It's not about selling, it's about telling your story, providing value, and building relationships. Create blog posts, videos, infographics, podcasts, or whatever format resonates with your audience. Share your expertise, educate your audience, and entertain them. Remember, be interesting or be invisible. Consistently creating high-quality content establishes you as a thought leader in your industry, builds trust with your audience, and drives traffic to your website. Section 7. Paid advertising, laser focus on your ideal customer. Paid advertising can give your digital marketing efforts a serious boost. Platforms like Google Ads and social media advertising allow you to target your ideal customer with laser precision. You can target by demographics, interests, behaviors, and more. It's like putting your message in front of the people who are most likely to be interested in what you have to offer. Run A/B tests to see what works best and track your results to optimize your campaigns. Paid advertising can be a cost-effective way to reach a larger audience and generate leads quickly. Section 8. Track your success. Data is your secret weapon. One of the most important aspects of digital marketing is tracking your results. You need to know what's working and what's not so you can adjust your strategies accordingly. Luckily, there are tons of tools available to help you track your website traffic, social media engagement, email open rates, and more. Use this data to understand your audience better, identify areas for improvement, and make informed decisions about your marketing efforts. Knowledge is power, and data is king in the digital marketing world. By regularly tracking your progress, you can ensure that your digital marketing campaigns are delivering a solid return on investment. Section 9. Digital Marketing, your small business growth rocket. There you have it, the power of digital marketing unleashed. It's not just a trend, it's the future of business. Embrace it, experiment with different strategies, and find what works best for you. Remember, building a successful online presence takes time, effort, and consistency. But trust me, the rewards are well worth it. So get out there, hustle hard, and watch your small business soar to new heights with the power of digital marketing.